we had given the advisory on the 3 Ws. Wear your mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. Those 3 are the cardinal instructions which we have issued. Barngan ong hang ni, ba baru kata baki hiar ki kies nadu December ter ngi ahi ki ju ki jing batha lightly ki W what glad bandeng gamas what glad ban sanitize lane ban saj ikti what glad ban pet ba kanum dan kajing yatur hajan lani kajing lambrum haki caka ki babun beriu. Kita kidi gidau ba dausan balai ka kiugum ni. Menta kani kadai ka khlam, but kadang dei ka khlam. This is a pandemic and it's still very much a pandemic. Nobody has ever declared that the pandemic is over. Ka khlam pat kut. Lada ngi shim ni kini gilat jing yada. We go by these protective measures, preventive measures. I am definite that we can arrest and contain.